is really my favorite. I love, love, love headlines because at the top, the one of the things that for a resume, you could think of it as a newspaper, right? Well, I'm from Chicago, so we had the Chicago Tribune, and you know how the Chicago Tribune, I don't know if you know, but newspapers will fold, or maybe you've seen in movies, newspapers that fold over, then they open them up and read it. But what's always capturing the attention is that very top, because that's what the latest, greatest, best news that's going to go right there. That's the same thing for your resume. Outside your name and your contact information, you want to capture their attention. And I do it often by writing a great headline for my clients. And that comes from listening to them and looking at all the stuff that they've given me and developing that headline toward their niche that they're doing. Because you want to capture their attention, because that is prime real estate. The top of your resume is prime real estate. And that will dictate whether or not you will go into that call pile. And so this is part of that. And then we'll talk about the summary as well. So here's some sample headlines that I've written for my clients. Dynamic visionary leader setting and executing business strategies to take your organization to the next level. Now, who wouldn't want to talk to that person? That summarizes everything they can do, right? Then here's another one. Strong financial leadership professional advising senior leaders to make sound decisions to achieve business goals. That's the essence of who they are. That's what they do. Here's another one. Energetic and highly motivated client relations professional, increasing your bottom line one relationship at a time. Isn't that awesome? Like, well, yeah, that's what you want. Customer service advocate, helping your organization attract and retain customers by providing a remarkable customer experience. So what I'm doing is that headline, just like that newspaper, I'm capturing your attention. So you want to read more. That reader wants to read more. And those are some sample headlines that you can be thinking about. Well, what if I was to do an almost like what they call an elevator pitch, or sum up in one sentence what I do and what I bring to the table? What would that be? I challenge you to start thinking through, how would I summarize the value I will bring to an organization for the niche that I'm doing? And guess what? You can have several of them depending on the job that you're going for, but think through, what do I really do? What value do I bring? And put that at the top of your resume.